The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Ottawa County, Southwestern Cloud County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Glasco, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Glasco and Delphos. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.